Today is Friday, April 16th. This is the 1975 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado front fender extension filler. This is for my friend Eric Nadeau in Orlando. And this particular unit has been finished in the original General Motors Cadillac number 11 Dizzler code Cotillion white. Okay? So this unit will be shipping out to Eric, and the front fender extension can then be mounted in accordance with the pattern and retainers as consistent with the original design mounting instructions from General Motors Cadillac. And then the unit can be blended in, wet sanded, provided with a sealer if necessary, although this is an original single stage number 11 Cotillion white. Okay, can be mounted as is, but since there's no accounting for the fadeability of the original titanium oxide based magic mirror Cotillion white, there will be inconsistencies. So a lot of times people will mount these and then wet sand it to provide buffing or sanding of the old finish to bring it back to the original luster. This is in instances where they're not repainting the entire car. Generally, in 99% of the instances, all the fillers of the vehicle are changed out and the car is generally completely resprayed. In this particular instance, we have an original right hand 1977 nose filler extension that's been finished in the original General Motors Dizzler code number 11 Cotillion white, and this will be going out to my friend Eric in Orlando. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, over 375,000 original vintage 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the WoodGrain InLay, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac components. Today is Friday, April 16th. Thank you very kindly.